Hello and welcome. If you already have Mito Mobile Flex, is it worth upgrading to MitoPRO Mobile? Let's discuss this in this video. So as you see, I've got two light panels from Mito. They kindly sent me both of them. This one is the latest addition to their lineup, MitoPRO Mobile, and it's got a lot of interesting features, but I've used this light for many years and I really enjoyed it, and it was my favorite light for doing light therapy for small areas of my body, like for instance achy muscles and joints, and sometimes even for face. When I lie down in bed, I just put it on the duvet and just shine light over my face. I really enjoy using this light a lot, and if you already have this light, would you be better off buying this one or not? Let me tell you what is the difference between these two lights, and you decide by yourself if it's time to upgrade or maybe still continue using this one. I mean, this one is very well built, so I'm pretty much convinced that it will last for a long time. And if you're happy, just enjoy the light you have. But if you are interested in having some new features which may be more useful or more to your liking, then have a look at what this light has to offer. So the main difference of this light, apart from of course the look, is that this new model has got true dual chip technology. This one only has dual chip technology. What's the difference? Let's just turn this one on. Look at this. This LED lenses, they have two LED chips, so it means it's dual chip, but they have in each lens two chips, but you can only use one at a time. So for instance, now if I want to use this light using both wavelengths, red and near infrared, it will be like this. 3 and 3 here will shine red, and the other 6 will shine near infrared. If I want to use near infrared, then all will be near infrared, and when I want to use red, they all will be red. But if I want to use both red and near infrared at the same time, which would be probably the most beneficial and time saving for you, I only have half red, half near infrared. And this is very different in this light, because this panel has got true dual chip, means in each lens you've got dual chips, red and near infrared, but you can actually turn them on at the same time, so you can use red and near infrared on all of those lenses. So let me just demonstrate. We turn on the light, and I just lower the brightness because I don't want to overpower the camera. This is just 20%, 25% of brightness, and as you see, all LEDs shining, and I've got at the moment all in red, but I can press the one button. Now all of them shine near infrared, but if I press button once again, I've got red and near infrared shining at the same time. If you had a spectrometer, you would see that you would have double amount of light than this one, because this one can shine either red or near infrared, or half of LEDs will shine red and half of LEDs will shine near infrared. With this one, you've got all LEDs shine red and all LEDs shine near infrared at the same time, which means you're using both lights with all lenses. I think this is a big advantage over this light. And of course, especially when you do light therapy for your muscles and joints, more light will penetrate because more light is shown. So this is the major difference in between these two lights, and that's why I think, you know, it's worth upgrading to this model. Another thing I really like in this new model is hand strap. It's so convenient because when I do light therapy for my bald patch, or for instance, sometimes I have achy neck and the shoulders, I can easily hold the light like this, and the strap actually holds the light on my hand. I don't, and I feel very secure. And if I wanted to do the same with this light, I would have to actually hold the light, which do it for 10 minutes. Usually this is the length of the standard session. It's kind of, it requires more strength, which means it's less relaxing. So such a simple thing like a hand strap, it's a big advantage over the old model. This one actually has one more interesting feature. It's got a kickstand, so you can place the light on the stand like this, and of course you could place this light like this as well. And but if you're using let's say a large armrest or sofa armrest, it's more safe than just like this. This one can fall easier, this one is safer, and you can position the light accordingly. Even if you want to do it on your face, you can position the light like this, and the same, use light therapy on different areas. So you've got extra way of positioning light with this kickstand. And what can I say? That light also has, let's just switch it off, ambient light feature. So if you are in hotel rooms, and if you prefer, or even in your bedroom, if you prefer to use non-blue white light in your environment to help you with the sleeping pattern, then you can use this one instead of the standard light bulb, which has some sort of blue light, which may prevent you from having best sleep possible. And if you spend, especially in the last hour before you go to bed, spend your time in the environment when there is no blue light, that I believe it's more beneficial for your healthy sleep. And this light also has got adjustable brightness, so I will demonstrate with this ambient light, but it's the same with that LEDs, that basically you press the brightness button, and then you can change 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. So as you see, this modern light has got a lot of advancement comparing to this one. And if you have a budget for buying a new light, that's great. That's probably, in my opinion, worth upgrading. Consider that you can still use this light, or you can give it to, for instance, your elderly parents, and they can use it for their achy muscles and joints, or maybe they have some issues with skin, or they want to look younger. Then they can still use this one, and it's so simple. You don't really have to think about the settings like here. Basically turn it on and then just change red, near infrared, or both. So it's very like a no-brainer for the people who are, let's say, old generation, and they want something simple, just to turn it on and use it. So you can give this light to your elderly parents, for instance, or you can keep a light like this at work. So when you have a lunch break or any other kind of break, and you have achy muscle, for instance, you can turn the light, change it for near infrared, so nobody actually in the office will see that you do light therapy, and you just place it on the place you want to do light therapy on, and you can benefit from having a relaxing break and do some light therapy at the same time. And at home you will have this new light, which is way more advanced, has got more features, and I'm pretty sure you will be also very pleased with this one. So I hope this video helped you make a decision if you need to upgrade from the old panel to the new one. If you need all these new features, then of course the answer is yes. And if you are happy with the old one, just use it, because it's still very good light, and it's very well built, so it should last you for many years of enjoyable red light therapy at home. If you are interested in the more specification and more information about this light, check out my affiliate link down below. If you decide to purchase it, it will be at no extra cost to you and it will help support this channel, and actually you can use my name as a coupon code to get this panel at a discount. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumb up, I really appreciate it. Share with your friends who would also benefit from watching it. Please consider subscribing for more information about red light therapy at home, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.